Please, before you watch this, if you are willing to do baking and use our tutorials, don't try the challenge that will be shown on the video, especially if you don't have experience in baking. If you're 10 and under, please take note when doing this, you need a guardian or parent to guide you on baking.
Three. Hello guys, I'm Cyrus
I'm Anissa.
I'm Cedric.
and we are Berry Bakes. So we're gonna bake in this video we're gonna bake brownies with a twist. So before we start the challenge or the twist, please take note that if you just wanted the ingredients, just follow the objectives. So the twist is, or the challenge is,
I'm blind.
I'm Dad.
and I'm muted. So we're gonna start putting our things.
Ay, game. Wait, guys. Ayos na. Okay.
Sabihin din halata ka ng FaceTime.
Wait.
Wait, ayaw mag...
Sakit sa ulo.
Mm.
Uy, game.
Objective number 1. Prepare a 1 cup of unsalted butter and 1 cup of chocolate chips.
Okay, guys.
Heat the unsalted butter first, then put the chocolate chips as well. Melt it on a microwave or a boiler. Mix it thoroughly to have a melted and yet not burnt liquid.
Go, go. Wait, guys. Kasama niyo ako. Okay. Okay. Oh. Hey. Ang hirap ba? Uy. Asan na? Wala akong makasama. Kasama ko. Uy, ano na eh, Rachel?
Okay, once you're done,
Objective number 2. Prepare the following ingredients. 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of glucose syrup, 4 whole eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
1 cup?
Yeah.
1 cup na to. Ano yun?
May nakalagay dyan.
Meron na daw. Okay na. Gamit na.
Pati sugar. Nakapita ko na naman.
No daw, no.
1 cup of brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of glucose syrup.
Uy, yung brown sugar. Nandito. Wait lang. Okay, brown sugar. Is this you? No?
Bakit?
Egg.
Alin ba?
Brown sugar. Yung brown sugar.
Anong?
Sugar. Basta matamis.
Ano? Ano nga?
Not this one.
Water?
No, this one.
Wag! Kadiri ka.
1 cup of brown sugar,
Uy, 1 cup granulated ka, sabi mo.
1 cup granulated sugar, and 1 cup of brown sugar.
Hindi ko makita yung brown sugar eh. Guys, dapat yung brown sugar.
Meron na! Namad ko si Cedric.
Meron na ba? Dito nyo lagay. Mimix na natin eh.
Ito, 1 cup nito.
Yes, tas dito. Put.
Yes.
Dito.
Ito. Ano ko ba yun yung 1 cup?
Kung ano sa inyo yung 1 cup, yun. Bigay nyo yung 1 cup.
Ito. 1.5 to.
Oy, bigay yung 1 cup. Cyrus.
No daw, no.
Nakalagay 1 cup pa.
No daw, may laman.
Lagay mo na.
May laman!
Lagay na nga.
Wait lang daw, wait. Wait.
Ang tagal ah.
Wait daw, paano yung butter, no daw.
Ha? 1 cup na ilalagay na.
Wait nga lang, may laman.
Ang bagal kasi tumino. Oy! Asan na? Wala ko na.
Nasisira pa ba to? Eh, wala ka talagang hinahalo dyan.
Eh, hindi kasi ilagay. Lagay nyo, lagay.
Oh my gosh, ewa.
Bye.
Tayo may mga
Uy!
1 cup nito.
Ano ba yan?
1
Sabihin mo.
cup granulated sugar, 1
Yeah,
cup of brown
yung white
sugar.
sugar, white sugar.
Ba't ka na salita sa akin, tibingi ako?
Nasaan yung white sugar? Di ko naramdam.
Ito ba?
Patingin.
1 cup.
Kana, bigay mo sa Andre.
Huwag na.
Hindi, pakapit. Pakapit. Nasaan? Bigay mo pakapit. Di yan. Yung isa.
Anong isa?
Yung sugar, yung bubo. Abot mo sa akin lahat. Dito. Not this one.
Flour yan.
This.
Sugar?
Yeah.
Sugar?
Yeah, 1 cup.
Yan, nagkakalat ka.
Yeah, 1 cup. Lagay mo dito. 1 cup. Dito ka, 1 cup. Kukulit. 1 cup granulated sugar, tas 1 cup brown sugar. Dito guys, dito. Ang hirap maging bulag ka. Pag di maalam magbig yung mga kasama. Yan, dito yan. Dito. Nasaan yung mixer? Mixer, abot niyo saan mixer? Yun, yan. Diba? Oh, tas 1 cup din na brown sugar.
Eh, wala kang hinahalo dyan kung hindi yung sugar. Ba't ko hinahalo?
Oh, nasan yung white brown sugar? Brown sugar. Wait lang daw.
Wait lang daw.
Wait lang daw.
Pero ako,
Ah, kaya na.
may buo.
Ako na. Let me. Yo guys.
Ha?
Oh, yan yung tumama sa
Stop
kamay
daw.
ko.
Stop.
Okay, stop.
After that,
Ano next?
4 tablespoons of glucose syrup.
Okay guys, 4 tablespoon. Lagay mo nga sa anong ilang cup yun? In the cup, boy.
Mix ka, mix.
Miss Rachel, ilan sa cup yun?
4 tablespoons.
Ilan nga sa cup?
I don't know!
Search mo, wala nga.
Isa! Yeah.
Amoy cocoa powder. Gusto ko amoy cocoa.
4 tablespoons glucose syrup.
Tablespoon ah. Yung ginagamit pagkain po.
Aka na! Hindi ko pa.
This. Lagay.
Balansa yung kamay ko. Di ko.
Ako din, malansa na. Wait lang. Ay no, ano to? Tumama sa kamay ko, ano to? Yeah.
Ba't to? Ba't
Pahingin yung tissue. Oy, tissue nga. Ano, magbubukas. Ano?
Buksan mo.
Ano? Hindi ko kita. Hindi ko alam yung ginagawa ko. Ang tigas. Oy, Miss Rachel, bubukas.
Wag ka nga maghalo. Di pwede sa'yo bulagin.
Ay. Siyempre, may gusto ko gumagawa eh.
Yawag buhok ko. Dami mong ano sa kamay. Ang dami mong butter sa kamay. Nahawakan mo buhok ko.
Maligo ka na lang.
Mama. Dito talaga. Ay, stop.
Ay, stop! Naka-stop yan
No,
oh.
ano?
Oo, nga to. Nakakangat to.
Stop. Ay. Kinamay na talaga.
Guys, di ko na alam nangyayari.
Ano ba? Ano kasi ano yun to? Magbasa kayo.
Oo, walang tubig. Uy, paabot ang tubig.
Yo!
Yeah. Egg.
Egg? Yeah. Egg?
No.
4 wall eggs.
Ako. Gusto ko. Ako.
One lang.
Dita? Good na?
Yeah.
Good na?
Go. Okay.
Isa pa. Ako din.
After that,
Sorry, te.
after that, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extra.
Mix.
No.
Not yet.
Hanging tissue po ulit. Tapos tubig nga. May tubig kayo?
Wala.
Pero ngayon, kuha ka sa rep. Ngayon
Mamaya.
ako. Lagkit na kamay ko, guys. Gusto mo, sir?
No.
Wait.
Akin na. Me open.
Ito? Tubig ba to? Hoy!
Wait.
Tubig to?
No.
Alin tubig?
You need 1 teaspoon.
Hoy, ako may tubig sa akin.
Hey, you're on the wrong way.
No.
Yeah.
Stop.
Hoy, diyan ko kaingot.
Open.
Can I shake?
No.
No shake.
Not yet.
No.
Takpan.
No.
Ay, di ba yun takpan? Oh, takpan. Ay, ano to?
No, stop.
Uy, ay, tubig sir.
Wait.
Hindi ko pinilig.
Wait. Go.
Oh, mix?
Not yet.
No. Mix? No. Mix? No.
The following list that I provide should be followed in order. After mixing the second objective, mix the objective number 1 to the objective number 2.
Okay na ba yung ano? Ginawa nyo? Ito, lagay nyo dito.
Wait.
Bakit?
Bibidyo mo.
Guide me. Hoy, guide me! Bakit?
Excuse me.
Okay. Ikaw na?
Go.
Hello, kids. Do you want to sing the mixing song? All right, let's sing it. The whisker and the ball goes mix. The whisker and the ball go mix to make a stack.
Ay, isa ko din. Kayo madamot.
Wow.
Ha? Usap ka ayos. Hindi kita maintindihan, usap ka ayos. Wheat? Okay. Bis, halo? Nasaan? Uy, pangalo! Abuti!
Slowly.
Ah, ang init!
Slowly. Slowly. Hindi nga.
Uy, amoy ano? Yung sa ano, yung dumpling na may chocolate.
Kita ako.
May dumpling na may chocolate eh. Ano next?
Pag ito may tingin sa taas. Pag ito may tingin sa taas.
Yeah.
You look straight. You look straight.
Pause.
No!
I'll be seasoning.
Ang dami pa ng mata ko, kaya tumitingin na ako sa taas. Ano next? Tell me. Miss Rachel! Ano Ano na po next?
Wait guys, wait.
You move.
Saan?
Slowly.
Mm.
Slowly.
The third objective is to mix these ingredients together. Those are 1 and 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cups of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 cups of chocolate chips. The first step is to put a strainer on the bowl, then put all the needed ingredients without the chocolate chips.
Uy, kilos.
Bakit?
Kilos. Ikaw. Ito.
Yeah.
Next is 3/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder.
Wait lang.
3/4.
3/4. Yeah, 3/4.
3/4 like
Meron diyang measurement.
No. No.
Bakit? Yes, mix. I should mix in this, guys.
3/4.
Ang tigas, ang bigat.
Stop. Stop.
Next is 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
Okay, soda. Something.
There.
1 teaspoon. Uy, teaspoon, teaspoon lang ah, hindi tablespoon. It means 1 teaspoon is kalahati ng tablespoon. Or then, or 1. Nakalimutan ko na.
1 teaspoon of baking soda and
Hirap maging bulag. Wala ba akong rest dito? Ang sakit sa mata eh.
next is 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
Result daw. Uy, laro yan o sound, Miss Rachel.
No, that's not.
Sound?
Move away.
After putting all ingredients in the strainer, shake it gently to lessen the mess. When the strainer is empty, remove the strainer and put the chocolate chips into the bowl.
Kita.
Okay. Wag.
Oh my gosh.
Yak, taligari. Ano yung kapitan ko? Sa tanong kita ko ya. Pwede ito still focus ko na parang
Yes.
Ilan?
3/4.
3-4. Uy, si Dep, walang ginagawa. Dep, gawa mo, Dep. Yeah,
Bakit?
wala kang ginagawa. Don't. That's all. Pre, basta.
No hands. No. No.
Wait lang.
After all of that, put objective number 2 ingredients into the current objective. Also, do not overmix and then pour grease into the brownie tray to make it less sticky and after that, put the mixed ingredients into the tray.
Padaan.
Do not over.
Cairo.
You want mixer?
Don't overdo it.
Bakit?
Yes. And then pour grease into the brownie tray to make it less sticky. And after that, put the mixing ingredients into the tray.
Ayun ba?
No.
Yes. Wait. Right.
You go.
The fourth objective is to put the uncooked brownie into the oven. The temperature should be at least low to medium heat or exactly 160 Celsius. The baking should be at least between 35 to 40 minutes. Let's do a short Q&A. So, the question is, who invented brownies? Brownies originated in the US, with the most popular story crediting the Palmer House Hotel in Chicago in 1893, where a portable chocolate confection was created for the World's Fair at the request of socialite Bertha Palmer, featuring walnuts and apricot glaze. Early recipes pre-1890s were more molasses-based or cakey, while the fudgy, chocolate-rich version emerged as a recipes adapted, with the first named brownie appearing in a 1904 Chicago cookbook. The fifth objective is to remove the cooked brownie out of the oven and let it cool for like a second. This will be the last objective for the video. The sixth objective is to cut the brownies into a square shape.
Gutom ka yata eh. Lakasan mo naman. Ay.
Okay na ba? Hindi sa akin yung dip ay. Nasaan po yung M&M? Dahil nasa na M&M paabot? Tarinig mo ako. Kala ko binta. Ah. Hindi. Dirikman ko lang baka ma-antig na pwede. Can I put it? Tutok niyo kamay ko. Wait lang daw. Okay na ba?
After cutting the brownies, pour the chocolate fudge that you made into the brownies. You can put whatever topping you like.
Okay na? Tutok niyo kamay ko?
No. Hindi ka.
Hello kids. Do you want to sing another song? Alright, let's sing it. The knife and the snacks goes cut. The knife and the snacks go cut. To share it all.
And that's it. you completed your objectives of making a brownie.
That's the last step. You're done. You're done!
Hey, tanggalin ko na. Ayoko na.
Thank you so much for watching our videos. Bye!
Bye guys. Ang sa mata.